Hello, good morning. Today we are going to do the exercise of lesson number 2. Tommy is lost from unit 8. So all this is in your textbook. You have to write it down in your textbook itself. So find the rhyming words from the story. Now look over here. The question here mentions that sorry. Just let me start the pointer. Here it is. Okay, just look at the question here. Find the rhyming words from the story. So when we were doing rhyming words while reading, okay, what we did is we said any rhyming words. But now here some words are given and you have to write rhyming words from the story itself. So for box, you cannot write ox. Why? Because the question says you have to write the rhyming words from the story. Okay, so even though the rhyming word for box can be ox, we cannot write ox because ox is not there in the story. Ox word story में नहीं आता है, इसलिए हम box का ox नहीं लिख सकते हैं rhyming word. ओके क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में दिया है कि हमको स्टोरी में से ही लिखना है. Okay, understood? So, which is the rhyming word from the story for box? Yes, it is fox. F-O-X, fox. Second, the rhyming word for pot? Yes, it is hot. So, there are many other rhyming words like not, okay, caught, but all these are not there in the story. So, pot ka rhyming word hot. Say, wave. Okay. Next, fourth one, boy, joy. Okay, look here. Joy here is not a name. So it is small j. Okay. Next, pan, ran. Okay. Other rhyming words you cannot write. Why? Because in the question they have said you have to write from the story itself. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks. Joy liked Dash very much. Whom did Joy like? Yes, Tommy. So Tommy, Tommy. Joy and Tommy began to, yes, walk. Third one. Tommy saw a dash passing by. Yes, you're right. Fox passing by. And Tommy and Joy reached dash safely. Yes, home. Reached home safely. Okay. So Joy liked Tommy very much. Joy and Tommy began to walk. Tommy saw a fox passing by and Tommy and Joy reached home safely. So now next are the dictation words or difficult words which you will have to read, learn and write in your English notebook. So P-O-N-D, pond. P-O-N-D, pond. Next, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y, suddenly. S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y, suddenly. S-H-O-U-T-E-D, shouted. S-H-O-U-T-E-D, shouted. S-O-B-B-E-D, sobbed. Sobbed nahi. Because many people, what they do, they pronounce this ed differently, ed. So it's not like that, shouted. S-O-B-B-E-D, sobbed. Next. H-U-G-G-E-D, hugged. है ना कोई लोग बोलते hugged. It is not like that. Hugged. H-U-G-G-E-D, hugged. S-T-O-N-E, stone. S-T-O-N-E, stone. C-A-T-C-H, catch. C-A-T-C-H, catch. S-A-F-E-L-Y, safely. S-A-F-E-L-Y, safely. Now opposite words. Last time we had gone through the opposite words while reading. What do you remember? What is the opposite of hot? Yes, it is cold. Hot, cold. Second, inside. Right. Outside. Third, after. Yes, before. Fourth, stop. Go. Very good. So hot, cold, inside, outside, after, before, stop, go. You can write this in your English notebook. Next, by mistake it is again 1. You can continue with 5, 6, 7. Okay. So lost, found. Yes. Sat, stood. Worry, happy. So lost, found, sat, stood, worry, happy. Meaningful sentences. What do you mean by meaningful sentences? You have to make meaningful sentences for these given words. Okay. So P-O-N-D, pond. I have made this sentence. You can make a different sentence also. Okay, there is a pond in my village, or I saw some animals near the pond. Okay, here I have written the rabbit lived near the pond. Okay, now here since pond is the word which has been used, I have underlined that to highlight it. The rabbit lived near the pond. Okay, you can write anything else also. I gave you a few examples. Second word is S-T-O-N-E, stone. So I saw a stone in the garden. I saw a big stone in the garden. I threw small stones in the pond, or I sat on a stone. Okay. I saw a monkey sitting on a stone. Anything you can write. Okay. So let's see what I've written here. The house was made up of stones. Okay. And if you see, I have underlined stones here because I have used this in sentence. Okay. The house was made up of stones. Third word is W-A-L-K, walk. Okay. Again, you can use the word in your own way, with your own creativity. You can write any sentence. Okay. So my parents go for a walk in the morning, or I like to take my pet dog for a walk in the garden. Okay, so let's see what I've written. I like to walk every morning. Okay, so I like to walk every morning is a sentence which I have written, but you can use any sentence. So you can write any sentence. Okay, next, F-O-X, fox. So I saw a fox in the forest. Tommy saw a fox in the forest. I saw a fox in a zoo. Okay, you can use it in any way. Let's see what I have written. The fox is a cunning animal. Okay, the fox is a cunning animal. Okay, so this is the sentence which I have written, but you can write anything. Just underline the fox. Why? Because I have used fox in the sentence. Okay. Next question is you have to write a few lines on your favorite pet. So even though if you are not having pet, आपके पास pet नहीं होगा तो भी आपके favorite pet, आपको जो लगता है, आपकी जो इच्छा है, उस pet के बारे में आपके पास होना चाहिए ऐसी जो आपकी इच्छा है, उस pet के बारे में आपको 4 to 5 lines लिखना है. Okay, right? I hope you all understood. So that's all. Bye. See you.